How to recover deleted messages on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Messages application on your phone. You are now in the Messages page. You can view all your messages over here. On this page, go to the top left corner and tap on Edit. Here, tap on Show Recently Deleted. You can view all your recently deleted messages over here. Select the messages you want to permanently delete and then tap on Delete at the bottom left corner. If you want to recover the messages instead, then tap on Recover. And then, tap on Recover Message to confirm. After that, tap on Done at the top right corner. Following these steps, you can easily recover deleted messages on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.